This is Crypto Talk. Today, we are going to talk about CEX.io. And in the simplest form, CEX.io is a company registered in 2013 as an exchange company, which is leveraging on the Telegram Tap to End game to roll out for the first time its native coin. So if you go to your Telegram bot called CEX.io Power Tap, you're going to see that we've been mining the CSP points, which is expected to be the native token for months now. As the TGE get closer, what is it for us to do to wrap up a very good value? Please, this is what I'm going to show you. Stick with me to the end of this video as I walk us through in a jiffy. I'll be right back. So guys, welcome back. So today we are going to look at the CS.io Telegram Tap to End games. We will launch our bot and see what the game is all about. First, as we launch it, there is a crypto that is already mined. Right here, we see this value. This value is a number of in-game coin that we have gathered, and there are two stages of in-game coin. This one right here, blue, that you can see on the screen, is called the in-game crypto. This in-game crypto is converted to this, and in turn, this value you will see right here is used to upgrade our system. Now, look at all this interface as a mining investment. And what the CS.io game is all about is a simulation of what actual mining is. And what is simulation? When you are mining Bitcoin, for instance, you need to set up all your mining equipment, the software. You also need to set up the legal department, the administrative office, and all of that. That's exactly what this app is trying to simulate for us. Now, let's look at this simulation that I'm talking about. If you get under here, you see mine. Under mine, we see different aspects that entails in the business of mining. Now, these are the mining section where we have our mining equipment, the cooling equipment, the software, and the rest of it. For mining to take place, you need power, and that's why we have our power, the power system, the power backup, the fireware, and so on and so forth. Now, the business angle to all of this mining establishment is there. And what are the things that make up the business angle? We have things like legal entity, maintenance team, legal team, fee pool, and so on and so forth. The marketing team and the rest. Now, we have special. The special aspect of it is what you use your mining reward for. And of course, you use it to better your life. That's what the simulation is all about. This is what you know very quickly. The first three columns, the mining, the power, and the business. When you upgrade card in each of these sections, they generate XP point for you. The goal is to mine as much as the CEXP, because that is what is going to be converted as the token or the yardstick to allocate the token. So our main point is to get this as much as we can. And so how do we get this? First, we use this coin to upgrade our cards. One card to upgrade, which I will show in this video. So in each of these cards, this card has the capacity to earn you more CEX points. So by upgrading these cards, what we are trying to do is that we are trying to acquire our CEX points. And we can look at this angle here. This card is up to level 5, and that is the final level of it. It's called Auto Fireware Update. Now, when we look at it, you see level 5 gives us 6,970 CEX points. So each time you upgrade the card, you get CEX points, and the accumulation of that CEX point is what we see on this particular angle. So our goal is to gather as much as we can our number of CEX points, and that's what we are going to show here. And how do we get the CEX points? By purchasing. We purchase the CEX points with this coin. And how do we get this coin? It is this coin that this machine is mining. The machine will mine in-game crypto for us. The in-game crypto is at the end of the day converted to in-game currency. which we use to upgrade our card. Let me show you how this conversion works. We go to convert here, and under this conversion we see this sign, means that the in-game crypto is converted to in-game coin. Then the in-game coin equivalent will be used to buy the card. How do we convert it? You come to this point and you click. As we click, we see that the equivalent of this blue in-game crypto is 128.956, and the conversion rate is at the exact amount of Bitcoin price for the day. Bitcoin price as at this moment, as at time of shooting this video, is $100,376.1. so this amount is a worth of this in-game crypto. So this in-game crypto will be converted to our own in-game coins. So the conversion rate gives us 12,943,429.78. So when we hit convert, this amount is converted for us. Then the number of our in-game crypto, our in-game coins increases. Now the number of our in-game coins increases, so we can use this coin now to upgrade our mining equipment. And when we upgrade our mining equipment, we get more of this. To be upgraded, we need up to 7 million coin. So we have enough, more than enough. We have over 1 billion coins. So we're going to hit upgrade, and it is being upgraded, and that is all. So we see that the number of our CEXP point has increased. And there's another way we can also increase the number of our CEXP points. We go to tax. Under the tax, we have different tasks to be completed, and as much as we complete those tasks, it gives us CEXP points. Say for instance, if we click this task and watch this video, we'll be able to have our CEXP point, and how much. Basically, that is how we can that's what we do to upgrade our coins, and in turn use our coin to acquire more CEXP points. If we go under our friends, we're going to say that our friends activity is also giving us some percentage boost. All my friends that I invited all together, mine gave me this amount, which I can claim is an in-game crypto of 5.67. So we claim that. Now the third thing to increase our mining capacity of CEXP points or our in-game crypto is to come to work, and we see this wheel rolling. When we click this wheel, the activities that we can do here, in every 4 hours we can claim 10 spin, and when we make any spin, wherever the spin fall into is what we get. First one that we will do to increase our worth in this game is to go to this get more, spin all these 8 spin that is left, and see what we can get. That we have won about 63,094 CEX points. It shows that we have won our goal directly. So when we spin, we will get more of these coins or the points that we are looking for, which is CEXP points. Now that we have finished all the spin, what do? We go back to home page, then we go to convert, then all the in-game crypto that we acquire from the spin comes to about 32,480.84. Click on the coin and it shows us convert. So this is the worth of our in-game coin. Then we convert and confirm. Then the number will go and be added to this. So if the number is added to this, we can use this to upgrade. So guys, that's all we can take in this video. And if you have done all of these tasks up to this point, you'll be very sure and get yourself ready for the TGE and token allocation. But remember that this is an exchange, and I don't like playing with exchangers coins because they eventually turn out to be very successful. And I want you to put all of this in practice and get yourself ready for the TGE. And most importantly, if you have stayed up to this video, please, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our video. Let me also know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.